Oh, yo, this is literally one of my favorite people ever because he is just so cool, so hardworking. Like the man's work ethic, insane.
We try to be like him.
It's like literally. And he is the very, very special, amazing, charismatic host of Jason Unleashed. It is Jason Carter.
Hey guys. Oh my gosh. Thank you for having me. Can you guys, is the light okay here? I'm trying, I have my ring light. I don't know if you guys
Man, I love that.
Oh yeah.
It's okay. I see the palm trees in the background. I think
hi guys.
Okay.
Oh, it's that I had to give you Chicagoans that Miami vibe down here.
Okay.
Jazz, thank you so much for the intro. You're so kind. Hey, look, we're all out here trying to make things happen, right? Trying to get it done and make things happen and stay alive while we're doing it, right?
Wow, well said.
Man,
we trying to get like you, bro.
No, I'm trying to be like my fellow Chicagoans here. You know, be in here. But glad to be here on the show with you guys. Congratulations on your milestone. Wow,
thank you.
We are so like. I don't know about them, but I'm telling you, for like the past 20 minutes on the show, I've just been saying like my soul and my heart is just like so full. I've been like holding back the happy tears. I'm gonna be like,
let it out, girl. It's okay. Jason, we brought you on here because we wanted to thank you, man. We want to ask you a few questions too,
sure.
But most importantly, we want to thank you because if it wasn't for you, we wouldn't have 100 episodes. So you've been a big part of our show, and you're big inspiration. We're always watching you on your Instagram and your tweets. So
always watching.
It's great to know that we are in communication and we network with people like you, man. And we want to thank you very much, for being a part of the Wake Up and Win family.
A whole king out here.
Guys, first and foremost, it's my pleasure. One. Two, we're all trying to make something happen, right? COVID, the pandemic, we've all had to pivot and start, and most of us have had to start anew or find a new path for success. So far be it from me not to show support to people who are doing the same thing that I'm trying to do and are killing the game. You guys are killing the game. I see your game. I see the posts, man. You guys are holding it down in Chicago, but I mean, we all have to support each other, and that's what social media has become, or social media, or just this industry in itself has become this, I would say, environment where people aren't connecting the way they used to. Remember when social media was like, oh, I'm gonna follow you back because we're connecting, because that's what social media and networking is about. I feel like it's turned into, I'll think about it. What can you do for me? Let me peep your numbers and see what you have going on, versus me saying, I see the value in what you guys are doing. Let me support that, because I want people to do that for me. So if I tell you guys to get in the ditch and let's eat crap, I'm gonna get in the ditch and eat crap with you.
Let's get to it. Yeah, but it makes sense to what we've been doing all day, Jason. It's great that you're dropping knowledge, dropping pure gems to our winners, our listeners, our viewers. But we've been asking each one of our guests a little bit about, digital currency, NFTs, and of course, content creation. Mm-hmm. So what I've noticed with yourself is you've always made sure you've delivered great content, and you've always been able to, upload videos. So my question to you is, do you see an uploaded YouTube video, let's say you leave it there, it accumulates compound views, we'll say, and it hits 1 million views in 5 years? Would you consider that a digital asset?
I've never been asked that before. That's an incredible question, and it's incredible because I was thinking about the value of content.
Right.
We're in such, and you guys know this, we're in such a space where it's like instant numbers equal instant success, right? But that's not always the case, though, because let's say like us four, what we're talking about today, there could be someone in Chicago or someone across the country that takes a gem that we've dropped and applies it to their life. Is that not just as valuable as 5,000 views, 5 million views? It is. I don't look at content and say
right on the head.
Right, because there's some people who have amassed, because there was a time in social media, especially YouTube, where if you were just on, you were going to get the followers because you were an early adopter. Doesn't mean your content is quality. Doesn't mean what you're saying. I'm not saying what people are putting on doesn't have value, because it does. But to answer your question, I had an interview with Lisa Ray, right? Great interview where she opened up to me about her coming on to Iyanla Vanzant and talking about the struggles with her and her family. It barely has 720 views on YouTube because of the algorithm. Mm-hmm. But someone, at least 2 or 3 people hit me up on the messages, in my messages on YouTube, and also 4 other people came to me on Instagram and said that was one of the best interviews I've seen in a long time, because I said something. So I would say, fine, if something got 5 million views, awesome, monetize. But what's more important is, what you can extract and what someone could apply to their daily life, or if their life was changed, or if you saved a life, that is success when it comes to
that's pure success.
Yeah,
saving a life.
Dropping knowledge.
Well, thank you again, listeners, winners, viewers. Again, hit the like button if you made it this far in the video. Smash subscribe because we're dropping knowledge and videos twice a week, every week. You know, we're definitely in that. Jason, we're trying to find that happy balance between trying to do what we want to do, but also give our viewers and our consumers something that they can benefit, because we are living in a what have you done for me lately type society.
Man.
And we like to give.
Well, and you should. And I think, you know, you guys do such a great job of being just that, giving to your audience, because it's not about us four, right? It's not about it's not about us cracking the mic or hopping on StreamYard and being like hosts or personalities. People tune in, people watch, people come to our platforms because they want to get something from it. They want to be filled up, engaged, and inspired. So I think that by you having that need and having that the wherewithal to be like, okay, well, let me give my viewers and our listeners what they want, is going to keep them coming back. And what you guys are giving is quality. What you guys are giving is beneficial. What you guys are giving is useful in a myriad of different ways. So don't stop. All you can do at the end of the day is stay true to who you are, know what you want, and keep showing up. Just keep showing up.
Consistency.
I felt that on a whole nother level.
That's awesome.
That's great.
Thank you, man. That's, you know, that's just, you know, for us to hear from you, man, it means a lot. And, you know, we're in Chicago, you're in Miami. This is two different worlds. You know, what we're living out here is, you know, totally different from where you're living out there. But at the same time, we're in the same industry. You know, we're
Don Julio, it's all the same. Look, even with Jason Unleashed, my show, I mean, I'm busy. I now host a daily show here in Miami for the CW affiliate, WSFL, called Inside South.
Yes. Congratulations on that. Yes.
Let me turn back the fitted real quick. But you know, you guys realize that it is hard, you know, and also because there's so many things competing for our attention. There's so many ways for people to get content. And even with Jason Unleashed, I've had to take a step back because, as you guys know, it's a lot of work to do great content. You can't just wake up and be like, oh, we're gonna put out something. No, we take pride in it's a reflection of not only of us as talent, but of what we're trying to do, the goals we want. And you never know who's watching, right? So why not put your best foot forward all the time?
Say that again for the people in the back. You never know.
I'm living proof. I've had so many great opportunities and connected with people like yourselves by doing Unleashed and by putting out content. So it's not easy. People think it's easy. It's not easy to do your homework, to invite to book the guests, right? To get them to say yes, to go back and forth, and also to do your research on the guests to make sure that you're hitting all the points and giving your audience a great interview and making sure that the guest has a great time on your platform. That takes time. Right. That takes work. And a lot of people don't get that. So whether you're in Miami, Chicago, LA, New York, Boston, New Orleans, wherever, it's all the same across the board, and we're all just trying to do great work. And you guys are doing just that. Incredible work.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Round of applause for you, us, everybody that's listening. Thank you again. This has been an amazing show. Quite the show. One of the best. 100. One of my most favorite shows, I do have to say so myself.
Thank you. Thank you.
Of course. We are just grateful to have you here, Jason. Jason, where can they check you out on the CW?
Here in Miami, you can check me out on WSFL TV channel 39. Also, if you have Roku, Fire Stick, any of the plugins for your TV, you can download the app, WSFL app, or you can go to my Instagram. Cool. Yeah, download the app, WSFL Channel 39. It's an app. You can watch everything that the station has, including Inside South Florida. Also, head on over to my Instagram. You guys know I keep
Instagram stays lit.
Jason Unleashed is coming back, and I have to say the guest list for this next season. Let me give you a. What kind of hint could I? Okay.
Only here the way to win
trivia. Okay. She had an album called The Bridge in 2009. She had a song with CeeLo called "Full for You." She's taking a break from music, but I'm talking to her on Jason Unleashed for season 6, and she's an incredible R&B vocalist from Canada. And I'll leave you with that. But it's going to be an awesome interview. So that's dropping in May. Yeah. Don't miss it. And then plus,
That's awesome.
I'm
man.
definitely about to get on Google. Like, yes.
R&B songstress from Canada that had an album called The Bridge in 2009, and that should you'll figure out who it is.
I feel like I feel like I know who
You
this
guys
is.
heard it first here on the Wicked Boy Show.
Hey, this is an exclusive for you guys. First announcement for the show.
There you go.
No way.
I love that.
Really?
Yeah.
Her? Oh my
That's-
goodness.
yeah.
Don't say nothing. Don't say
I'm not
nothing.
going to say anything, but wow.
I didn't say
Amazing.
nothing. I mean, like, you know, he,
yeah.
she, like it.
Right.
I mean, like pronouns, you know?
Yeah, right.
Pronouns are just so cool, guys.
They will be on. Right. Pronoun, we got to be, they will be on. Until this person tells me how they identify. I love that, Jazz, but they will be on it the second week of May. So, and just the guests are going to be great. The conversations are going to be great. And what I try to do with Jason Unleashed is make it about, you know, what's happening in the world, because we're all existing in the world. It's not just about their careers, which it is.
Right.
Yeah.
But you know, they're also going through pandemic. They're also getting COVID shots. They're also trying to figure out this new normal. So we talk about all of that too as well.
Cool, man. Well,
I'm
thank you.
just so
again.
proud of you.
He's doing it.
Yeah.
Like, for real. Like, seriously.
I
If
appreciate
y'all don't
it.
know Jason Carter, you better get to know. I know I said that on the first time he was here, but I'm gonna say it again.
Period.
Well, Jazz, you slid in the DMs. I was just like, hold on. Chicago's calling. Give me a second. Yeah, I got you, girl. I'll be there.
You know?
That's dope.
Thank you so much for just everything.
Absolutely. My pleasure. And you guys keep on killing the game. And you guys got fans here in Miami.
Appreciate you, man.
Until
Thank you,
next
boss.
time.
Boom.
Talk soon, Jason.
Jason Carter.
Awesome.